College can be exciting and scary at the same time. You might have a clear vision of where you want to go, what you want to study, and how you'll pay for college, but you also may have questions about all this. Should I go to a community college or a university? What's the difference? What should I major in? What even is a major? How much is this all going to cost me? And what can I do once I have a degree? I'm Hank Green, and welcome to Study Hall, a project designed to help learners prepare for, apply to, succeed at, and graduate college. Study Hall is a collaboration between Arizona State University, a university that judges itself not by who it excludes, but by who it includes and how they succeed, YouTube, and Crash Course, an educational video project dedicated to making free videos that don't just teach, they also capture and hold attention in a time when we have many demands on our attention. Everyone's college journey looks different. You might start right out of high school, return to college years later, start one place but finish someplace else. You get the picture. We want to meet you wherever you are right now. Here's how Study Hall can help. First, figuring out your college goals and a plan to get there can be extremely complicated. The whole process can be a turnoff and cause people to give up or waste a lot of time and money. That's why we created our How to College series on the Crash Course channel. In this series, we're providing information on everything from choosing a school to how to apply for student loans to finding ways to earn money while in college. Second, our Fast Guide series will help you learn more about the different college majors like psychology, nursing, and business, what kind of courses you have to take in these majors, and where these degrees can take your career. And third, our College Foundations series gives you a chance to actually take college courses online and earn credit from a top university at a fraction of the cost. Study Hall gives you access to college courses on YouTube, and the best part is you don't pay for the course credit until you're satisfied with your grades. The credits you earn are usable toward an ASU degree or transferable to the hundreds of institutions that accept ASU credits. All you have to do is start watching a foundational playlist like history, English composition, communication, or college math right here on the Study Hall YouTube channel. Then, if and when you are ready to dive deeper and earn ASU college credit, you can go to gostudyhall.com and sign up to participate in the full course. There, you will complete projects, assignments, and assessments, have conversations with other learners, and receive feedback from course faculty. And if you have any ideas for how we can better achieve our goals here to lower the barriers to education, you can leave us a comment on this video.